I told you already and you didn't listen. Why do you want to hear it again? Do you want to become his disciples too? They ridiculed him and said, "We were the man's disciple. We are disciples of Moses. We know that God spoke to Moses, but we didn't know how this one is from." The man answered and said to them, "This is what's so amazing, that you didn't know where he's from, yet he opened my eyes. We know that God does not listen to sinners, but if one is devout and does his will, he'll listen to him. It is unheard of that anyone who opened the eyes of a person born blind. If this man were from God, he would not be able to do anything." They answered and said to him, "You were born totally in sin, and are you trying to teach us?" They threw him out. When Jesus heard that they had thrown him out, he found him and said, "Do you